Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing San Diego, California, a city known for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and perfect weather. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, history buff, or foodie, San Diego has something for everyone. Join us as we explore the best attractions, hidden gems, and must-see sights in this beautiful coastal city. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Iconic landmarks. Balboa Park. Our first stop is Balboa Park, the cultural heart of San Diego. This massive urban park is home to 17 museums, beautiful gardens, and the world-famous San Diego Zoo. Stroll through the lush grounds, admire the Spanish colonial revival architecture, and visit the many museums like the San Diego Museum of Art and the Fleet Science Center. Balboa Park is perfect for a day of exploration and relaxation. San Diego Zoo. No visit to San Diego is complete without a trip to the San Diego Zoo. This world-renowned zoo is home to over 3,500 animals representing more than 650 species. Explore the diverse habitats, from the African plains to the Australian outback, and don't miss the giant panda exhibit. The zoo also offers interactive experiences like the Skyfari aerial tram and guided bus tours. USS Midway Museum. Next, we head to the USS Midway Museum, a historic naval aircraft carrier turned museum. Explore over 60 exhibits and 29 restored aircraft, and get a taste of life at sea. Don't miss the chance to sit in the cockpit of a fighter jet or take a guided tour from a veteran. The museum offers an immersive experience that's both educational and fascinating. Segment 2. Beach Bliss. La Jolla Cove. La Jolla Cove is one of San Diego's most picturesque beaches, known for its clear waters and abundant marine life. It's a great spot for snorkeling, kayaking, and even spotting sea lions. Take a stroll along the coastal walkway, enjoy the stunning views, and relax on the sandy shores. La Jolla Cove is perfect for a day of beach fun and natural beauty. Coronado Beach. Just across the bay, you'll find Coronado Beach, famous for its wide sandy shores, and the historic Hotel del Coronado. This beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and beachcombing. After a day in the sun, take a walk through the charming town of Coronado, filled with shops, restaurants, and beautiful homes. Coronado Beach offers a quintessential Southern California experience. Mission Beach and Pacific Beach. For a more lively beach scene, head to Mission Beach and Pacific Beach. These adjacent beaches are popular for their bustling boardwalk, vibrant nightlife, and great surfing. Rent a bike or rollerblades and cruise along the boardwalk. Try your hand at surfing, or just relax on the sand. The area is also filled with bars, restaurants, and shops, making it a great spot for a fun day out. Segment 3. Family-friendly fun. Legoland, California. Located just north of San Diego in Carlsbad, Legoland, California is a fantastic destination for families. The theme park features over 60 rides, shows, and attractions, all inspired by the iconic Lego bricks. Explore themed lands like Pirate Shores, Miniland, USA, and the new Lego Movie World. There's also a water park and sea life aquarium for even more fun. SeaWorld San Diego. SeaWorld San Diego offers a unique combination of marine life exhibits, thrilling rides, and entertaining shows. Get up close with dolphins, sea turtles, and sharks, and enjoy exciting rides like the Manta roller coaster and Journey to Atlantis. Don't miss the live shows featuring orcas, sea lions, and other marine animals. SeaWorld is a perfect mix of education and entertainment. Birch Aquarium at Scripps. Birch Aquarium at Scripps, located in La Jolla, is another great family-friendly attraction. This aquarium is part of the renowned Scripps Institution of Oceanography and offers fascinating exhibits on marine life and ocean science. Explore the interactive tide pools, watch the daily feedings, and learn about the latest oceanographic research. It's a fun and educational experience for all ages. Segment 4. Outdoor Adventures. Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve. For breathtaking coastal views and outdoor adventure, visit Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve. This protected area offers miles of hiking trails, stunning cliffs, and the rare Torrey pine trees. Hike to the top of the bluffs for panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. Explore the diverse habitats, and watch for wildlife like pelicans, seals, and dolphins. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers and hikers. Cabrillo National Monument. Cabrillo National Monument, located at the tip of Point Loma, commemorates the landing of Juan Rodriguez Cabrillo, the first European to set foot on the West Coast. The park offers sweeping views of San Diego Bay, the city skyline, and the Pacific Ocean. Explore the historic Old Point Loma Lighthouse, tide pools, and the visitor center to learn about the area's history and natural beauty. Anza Borrego Desert State Park. Just a short drive from the city, Anza Borrego Desert State Park offers a stark contrast to San Diego's coastal scenery. This expansive desert park is the largest state park in California and features rugged landscapes, unique flora, and fascinating geology. Visit in the spring to see the stunning wildflower bloom, hike the many trails, and explore the unique slot canyons and badlands. Segment 5. Culinary Delights. Little Italy. San Diego's Little Italy is a vibrant neighborhood filled with delicious food, charming streets, and lively events. Stroll through the piazzas, visit the authentic Italian markets, and enjoy a meal at one of the many restaurants offering everything from traditional Italian dishes to modern cuisine. Don't miss the Little Italy Mercato Farmers Market on Saturdays, a perfect place to sample local produce and artisanal goods. Gaslamp Quarter. The Gaslamp Quarter is San Diego's nightlife and dining hub, known for its historic buildings and bustling atmosphere. This area offers a wide variety of restaurants, bars, and clubs, making it a great spot for an evening out. Enjoy everything from gourmet dining to casual eats, and soak up the vibrant energy of this iconic district. Tacos and craft beer. No trip to San Diego is complete without sampling its famous tacos and craft beer. Head to local favorites like Tacos El Gordo or Lucha Libre Taco Shop for mouth-watering tacos filled with carne asada, al pastor, and fresh seafood. Pair your meal with a local craft beer from one of San Diego's many breweries, like Ballast Point, Stone Brewing, or Modern Times. The city's craft beer scene is thriving and offers something for every palate. Conclusion. And that's our ultimate guide to unboxing San Diego, California. From its beautiful beaches and rich history to its exciting attractions and delicious food, San Diego truly has it all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.